You know, people are always looking for a bit of a fixer-upper, and our newest listing in Huntington is not that house.
And I love it. Want some more? I'm up in my zone, touching the sky, feeling the flow, and I love it.
You want to build a front deck? Done.
Everybody know about it. Everybody hard on it.
How about a back deck? Done. Do you want to upgrade to a double garage? Done. A fire pit or a parking pad for your toys? Done and done.
Like your Bob Dylan. Anything you want.
Everybody say. Everybody say.
And inside, you'll be just as disappointed. The kitchen, totally done. And we've got 1, 2, 3 bathrooms, done, done, and done.
You know the dice gonna roll, you're taking the steps, you're playing the show, and you love it. Yeah, you love it.
A basement with an entertaining space and a home gym, done. In fact, this home was completely renovated in 2017, so there's nothing to do but move in and kick back.
Everybody hard on it. Climbing up the whole mountain. Anything you want.
Everybody say what?
You can be the whole.
So if you're looking for a place that is not a fixer-upper, contact us today.
Anything you want.
Everybody say.